Hey guys, it's Kurlina. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make this fun textured pumpkin cake. Okay, let's get started. Starting off with our cake, I've already stacked my 3-inch cake and my 4-inch cake together, and I do have a video on that if you want to check it out. For the texturing tools I'm using is actually from a palette knife set. The first one I'm using is an offset spatula and the other one is a straight edge spatula. You could use any of them. I'm just switching between them here and there throughout the video. Then, using the spatula, I'm roughly marking out where I want the pumpkins to go. For the bottom tier, I mark out 2 pumpkins, and for the top, I marked out 3. And then, I'm using the classic pumpkin orange to fill the outline that I just did. And I'm just texturing it by doing vertical motions on each pumpkin. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I post new videos every Monday. You can absolutely do any shape and color for the pumpkin, just have fun with it. For the stem part of a pumpkin, I just grabbed some brown buttercream on my palette knife, and then I'm just outlining the shape of a stem. Once I was done with my pumpkins, I decided I wanted to add some textures on the white buttercream, so I added very slight buttercream on my palette knife, and I'm doing like a stippling motion on the bottom tier. For the top tier, I added some more buttercream and I'm creating some vertical lines. And for the top, I just did a swirly motion with a buttercream. And here's a finished cake. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet done so, and turn on the notification bell. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Foodie Chronicles. And if you guys are on TikTok, I do have an account which I recently created, which is at Foodie Chronicles. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, spread the cake love.